of course, because maybe for the Polish market is also a European market. So what is true, because our company is located in France, so what is true in France is also true in Poland, meaning that most of the peoples now want to work and to talk about vegetables. But the fact is that there's not as much vegetables as the market would need. So we have to be clever for that. We have to find solutions to be able to introduce products to the customer that will be here in 2 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, in 20 years. So this is what is very difficult. And to do that, we have, as I explained, we have to work very clearly in the sustainable way. The partner we are working with know how we work, and they are confident in the work we are doing. So this is the main reason why we are able to introduce product for 2, 5, 10, 20 years. And for the active ingredients, of course, many of the customers are interested for that because it will give the added value to their final product. So what we imagine, what in the conception, when we concept or develop such active ingredients, we are a kind of, I would say, brand at the end to say, okay, if I had to launch something in the market on this with such a property or efficacy, what would be interesting for me as a consumer? And this is the way you can interest all the customers here, because what we want is to reach the final customer and the consumer, and for them to say, okay, this product makes sense, and the way it has been developed also makes sense. So it's really what we want to talk about. It's when you buy something, you are not just buying a plant or just buying an efficacy. You are buying a package that makes sense and that brings you also an added value compared to the competitor.